The Honor 500 Pro in pink delivers a both luxurious and complete. The design is sleek and modern, and iPhone style, with a flat screen and refined metal frame. This colorway is definitely a standout. From the standard black, inside the box, you will typically find the phone itself, the fast charging adapter 80 watt, and USB cable. It's great to see Honor still including the charging adapter. It feels solid and premium. The screen is AMOLED touch screen, 120Hz refresh rate. It is showcasing the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with the addition of 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB, and storage will be 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The rear triple camera here, housing a 200 megapixel main sensor. Battery will be at 1000 mAh. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.